Taking notes in anywhere is kind of challenging. In most cases, we use our phone to take notes. But what happens to our notes when we lost our phone? In this video, I'm going to tell you a cool software that you can access your notes anywhere. I mean your computer, laptop, anything. Let's start. I'm talking about Google Keep Note, one of the best note apps that I'm working with it. In your browser, you just simply need to type keep.google.com. This is the original website for Google Keep. On the take note part, you can see the title. As an example, I will type how to, and on the take note, I will say I'm going to tell you how work with it. Okay, and I hit in the close. Right now, we create a cool text. We create a cool note. If you press on pin note, you can pin your note. If you want to make this Google Keep note darker, or use dark themes, go to settings and press enable dark theme in here. If you again go to the settings, you can do a bunch of things, and the settings, they are obvious. I'm going to create another note and type it example 2 and close it. Okay, right now we have 2 texts. With drag and drop, I can simply change the arrangement of them, and in here, if I click into the list view, I will see their direction in another way. I don't like it, and I will let it be in this direction. In here, we have a bunch of other things. As an example, background options. On the background options, you can set a color for your background, and you can also set a picture for your background. Okay, I'm going to set this note for my background, and I'm going to also set this peach color for my background and close it. Okay, as you can see, I customized this note, and I will see the difference between the other notes that I create. Okay, this one is shiny. Again, I click on it and go to the background part and disable the background that I set it for. With using this background option part, you can customize your text. As an example, I'm going to set this one as mint, and I'm going to change the color of this one into this one. Okay, right now, if I create another note, as an example, again, this one is how to number 2 and hit on the close. Okay, I can change this color into the peach, and I will understand that, okay, these 2 texts are similar. Okay, I can arrange it using these colors. We will have another cool option in here. Under remind me, you can choose a reminder for your text. As an example, you can pick a date and time for a reminder, and you can also pick a place for your reminders. Pick place is good for shopping. Let me tell you an example. Okay, I will type in here a shopping list. Okay, I need this one, I need this one, I need this one, and I go to the pick place and set Walmart. When I achieve to the Walmart place, I will receive a notification from the Google Keep, and I understand that, okay, I have a shopping list and I will buy them. That's good for shopping. In here, we have another option, which is collaborator. I click on it. On the collaborator, you can type another person's Gmail, so he can easily access into the text that you type in here. You will find out that another person has access into this text. Again, I go to the collaborator and delete the person that I added. On the image, if you hit on the add image, you can upload an image into your Google Keep note that you type. You need to wait until this upload part finished. Right now, your image is fully uploaded. Again, if you want to add another image, select another one and upload it. If you hit on the archive, your message, your text is going to be archived. Okay, this is the archive place. And in the more option, obviously you will see more options. As an example, you will see delete note, you will see add label. Add label is a cool thing. Again, I click on the add label and set this label YouTube, and done. I close it. Right now, I have another label in here. I click on it and I'll see YouTube labels. If you hit on edit label, and I'm going to create another one, work. Done. Again, I go into my notes. This one is going to be YouTube. This one is going to be for work. Okay, so if I go to work, I will see the texts that are related into the work option, the work part of my life. And if I go into the YouTube, I will see the text that are related into the YouTube-based videos that I created. I just go back into my notes and open these notes that we work on it. Again, I press on more options. In here, I can press on change labels. So this text that I created is related between my work and my YouTube. So I can select both of them. I can deselect labels, so this text is not going to have any labels on it. So we can do a bunch of things. I just bring it back. I have another option in here, and the name of that is drawing. Here I will type subscribe, submit, and hit on the close. This drawing part is useful for persons who has Samsung phones. As an example, they have S Pens on their phones and they draw and write the text instead of typing it. That's a cool option. Again, I hit on the more options. If you hit and make a copy, you will have a copy of this text in another place. If you press on show checkbox, you will have a to-do list. And if you press copy to Google Docs, you will have a Google Doc from this note that you have. Okay, this is copying to Google Docs. You need to wait until the copy process is finished and press on the open doc. You will have a document, and if you press on version history, you will see the things that you did into this text. Okay, with the date and time. This one is undo and redo. Okay, as an example, I just type something and press undo and press redo. They will be bring back. The text it will be bring back. Let's talk about archive. I'm going to archive this text. Okay, it will be set onto archive list. And if I go to the trash, I will see the things that I deleted. Let me go to the notes and delete this one. Delete note. Okay, it will be moved into the trash. Right now, on the trash part, I can select multiple of them and press on the delete or restore. This one is restore, this one is delete forever. I press on delete forever, and these texts that I had are going to be deleted forever. I don't have any access into them. They're gone. This button is refresh button. I click on it and I will see a cloud. It means that all of the data that I enter into my Google Keep Note is saved into Google Cloud storage. And again, it means that when I open my phone and go into my Google Keep Note, I will see the things that I typed in my computer. Okay, this is cross-platform, and I will see all the data that I type in here into my phone. In settings, you will see app downloads. I click on it. You can download Google Keep for Android devices, for iOS devices, and you can also download Google Keep for Chrome. That's the Chrome extension. This app is multi-cross platform. Okay, so that's the benefit. And again, on the settings, if you press on keyboard shortcuts, you can create and see the keyboard shortcuts that Google Keep has. As an example, when you select the note and press an E, the note is going to be archived. Okay, I select this one and hit an E. It moves into archive. I press on the undo, and action is undone. In here, I can select multiple tags. Okay, I select all of them, and I can pin them. I can change the background color of them. I can select the reminder and I can archive them, and I can do other things. Now it's the time to have Google Keep in our Android device. You can also have it in your iOS device. They are totally the same. I just open Play Store and type Keep. I will see Google Keep. I open it. As you can see, the data that I have in this Google Keep is the same data that I have on my PC because they are related. I hit on this plus and press on the text. I'm going to type something random and close it. Okay, with this way it will be saved, and as you can see, it will be saved into my desktop PC that I open this Google Keep on it. When I open this text that I created, I will see a plus. On the plus, I can take a photo. Okay, and press on the done. Okay, I will have this photo, and I will have another feature on the phone that I don't have it on the PC. I have this recording option. I open it. Because my screen recorder is using microphone, I cannot use it and I cannot show it to you, but you press on that one and start talking, and the Google Keep Note is trying to write the things that you said. That's a cool option, isn't it? All done. If we learn how to work with Google Keep Notes. If you want to know more about Google useful programs, watch this playlist. See you at the next one.